Hello and welcome to Jabra Xpress automated installation on Ubuntu 20.04. It's about Jabra Xpress on-prem installation. So the prerequisites are Ubuntu installed, connected to internet, user Jabra created during installation, and SSH enabled. Then we'll log in via SSH to our machine Ubuntu, and then we will download the script. Then we will modify the rights of this script and we will launch it. The thing is that it will take some time to download all the container images, so I will have to stop at some point and continue when it's almost done. Normally we have to confirm for some packages and also to insert the Jabra username and the IP of the machine running Linux Docker. This is the IP. And basically the Docker containers, which Jabra update them periodically. Here, the versions, the latest version are described here at this page. Basically, those images will be installed on our Linux machine. And then, as you know, Jabra Xpress has two flavors. One is cloud and one is on-prem, the one which we install right now. For cloud, you can create an account in the cloud and then download a Jabra Direct package on his computers. And from there, from the account cloud, he can manage the settings, update the headsets firmware or change some settings. In case we have a restricted internet, then we have to use Xpress OnPrem. Basically, we install the Linux machine with everything needed for Docker containers, and then from this local server we will download the Jabra Direct package. So I will stop here and will continue when the Docker images are downloaded. Thank you.